Hi, my name is Gennaro Martelli, and this is a review for the HL7 Starter Kit course. I purchased the course a little over 90 days ago, and so much has changed since then. I had initially been working as a systems administrator in IT for multiple medical clients, and during that time, I had an opportunity to work with a few different projects that involved HL7, and I always found it interesting and wanted to eventually transition over into that industry, but I never really knew how or never really knew how to go about it. So I came across the HL7 Starter Kit course, looking online for different courses to learn more. And when I purchased the course, I was just expecting to learn what HL7 is and get some more technical details. But what I came away with was much more than that. It talked about not only HL7 but also the industry and how to get into it and the potential income that you can make from being in that industry, in the healthcare IT industry. And from there, it really motivated me. So I finished the course in less than an hour. I was so intrigued and so motivated, I just completed it very quickly. And then I decided to reach out to Vivian to kind of get more information and possibly just get some more insight into what I can do. And from that particular point, that's where I feel the major change happened because Vivian, from then on, invited me to a community that she created for like minded people who are trying to get into healthcare IT and also who are seniors in it, who are people who can help bring new people on. And that community has been instrumental in me being in the situation I am today. And I'd contribute that a lot to Vivian. She's been not only a great teacher but a great friend, and she's has a vested interest in me being successful, and she just has that mentality about her where not only is she a great teacher, she'll teach you everything she has. She will go out of her way to try to her best to help you get where you need to be. So, for example, when I started applying for jobs, she saw my resume and gave me some pointers on how I can improve it. She's introduced me to recruiters. She's given me great job offers from people she knows. So she's gone way above and beyond what the course offered. And that community that she created in Slack, where a lot of healthcare IT people could come together, share ideas, help onboard new people like myself into the industry, has been priceless and has been a great factor in me being able to get into the industry. So right now I'm actually living in Seattle. I moved from Texas for a job in data integration, and this is my full-time job now, and I'm actually making $25,000 more a year than what I was doing IT. So the transition is possible, and it certainly is something that I could not have done on my own without Vivian's help. And I genuinely feel that anyone can do this if they have the right mentor, the right person in the industry who can help onboard them and be available for them. Also, this course has given me so much more confidence in my ability to get into the industries that I actually went and got Mirth certified about 3 weeks ago. And that's a great certification to have in this industry for people who are trying to find work in HL7 integration. So a lot of the great opportunities that have been made available to me, I can tie back to this HL7 starter course. And I just wanted to highlight how awesome Vivian has been as a resource, as a friend. And anyone who would want to get into the HL7 industry or working in data integration definitely needs to purchase this course. Thank you. Have a great day.